neutralized.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back once again. Thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure when you do. So today I was thinking, you know what? Do you like retro stuff? Do you like decades of past? I do. So I thought I would go check out a new place I heard about, not too far away from where I live, where they have arcade games and pinball from 70s and 80s, and who knows what else, 90s as well. You know, I thought it'd be cool because I love old arcade games, and you know, I have a lot of good memories of going to arcades as a kid, and you know, putting your quarters up and playing some games. Yeah, so I remember back in the day, you know, I just love going to the arcade, and I haven't seen a like a legit arcade in forever. You know, everyone's got phones and, you know, home gaming systems now, so there's really no need for arcades anymore. But back in the 80s and 90s, that was where it was at. Yeah, so I found this place called Replay Arcade Museum over here in Tarpon Springs, and thought we could go check it out. And I believe it's one flat fee, and there's no quarters needed. You can play all the games for as much or as little as you want. So I definitely had some favorite games as a kid. You know, there's always the classics like Frogger, Dig Dug, you know, Space Invaders. I think some of my favorite ones though were definitely like Mortal Kombat 2. Some of those fighting, Street Fighter. You gotta remember Street Fighter. Street Fighter was a great game. I think Mortal Kombat 2 was definitely one of my favorite games though. Yeah, so I'm hoping they have some of those games here. And maybe we'll find some other cool retro games. We'll see. Let's take a look. So we're back on the road. was a kick-ass time. I enjoyed that, seeing all those old games. You know, but one thing I did learn, I really suck at pinball. I have no idea how people do so well at that game. Man, I just tell you, pinball is just not my game. I'm good with the old school, you know, arcade games, but pinball, not so good. It was great seeing all those old games from, you know, 70s, 80s, 90s, and they even had some kind of more recent pinball games from the mid-2000s and up. Yeah, there's some really cool ones that I haven't seen in a really long time. You know, I got to play Tron, which was definitely a classic. Yeah, they had the Pac-Mans, the Centipedes, Joust. You remember that old skateboarding game, 720? They had that. That was pretty cool. You know, the price can't be beat either. You know, it was like 14 bucks for all the free play you can do all day long. Yeah, so that place was pretty cool. That was the Replay Arcade Museum in Tarpon Springs. You know, I really enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun. It's kind of sad that they call it a museum. You know, it makes me feel a little old, although I'm not that old. But thanks again, YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you can, hit that subscribe button below. Hit that like button. And as always, keep riding, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, peace, YouTube.